Hello there, welcome to the Divine Feminine Rose practice. This is an amazing, nourishing visualization for your pelvic floor to support awareness, to support consciousness, and to support a healthy and optimized pelvic floor rhythm. So turn off any distractions and take either a comfortable seated position or a reclined position. Feel the spine now long and soft as your breath slows and lengthens. Feel your breath cool on your inhalation and warm on your exhalation. Feel the area between your eyebrows relax now and soften. And feel a wave of relaxation rippling across the forehead, down the scalp, along the back of the neck, and the whole length of the spine as you allow any tension to gently melt away from your body and to pour down into the earth towards the center of the earth now, so that your whole body is relaxing more and more, and so that you start to feel as though you're light, you're relaxed, you're soft. Feel your tongue soften, your throat soften, your heart soften, and your belly soften. As you bring your awareness now towards the base of the pelvis and the pelvic floor area. Tracing with your mind's eye the pubic bone at the front, tailbone at the back, and your left and right sitting bones. And tracing with your mind's eye now the visualization of a red rose in full bloom at the base of the pelvis, gently facing outwards from that diamond shape that you just traced. So that on your next inhalation, the image of the rose is that the petals open into the full bloom on that inhalation as you feel your whole pelvis soften and relax. And then as you exhale, you're going to imagine that you're able to use the muscles of the pelvic floor to draw the rose back towards the body into a bud as you close the petals of the rose down with the contraction of your pelvic floor muscles on your exhalation. As you inhale, gently soften and open the rose so that the petals can release and open into full bloom. And as you exhale, use the pelvic floor muscles to gently tether to the rose to draw it back into its bud shape as the muscles move back towards the spine on the exhalation and contraction. Inhale to move the rose now into full bloom. Exhale to draw the petals of the rose back into the bud. Feeling each and every area of the base of the pelvis, in between the pubic bone and tailbone, and in between both sitting bones, we're feeling this whole diamond shape contributing to the movement of the rose on your inhale and your exhale. Keeping the big muscles of the thighs and the buttocks relaxed, and only using the smaller muscles in the base of the pelvis to achieve the visualization of the rose opening and closing now. Repeating for 5 more contractions. Softening and opening the petals on the inhalation, closing the petals into the bud on your exhalation. And when you've finished the visualization of the rose, allow the rose to fade. Return the breath to a natural breath pattern, your own normal, relaxed pattern. Bring your awareness back to the face as you open the eyes. And start to come back to your day with a renewed sense of vitality and support. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. See you next time.